Good morning, my dear children. In the last class, we have studied about the plant kingdom, that is, about the plants. And in the first unit, we have studied about living and non living things. Now we shall just revise the characteristics of living and non living things. On one side, you can see the living things, and the other side, non living things. Characteristics of living things. Living things grow, move, breathe, eat, reproduce, and respond. Whereas the non living things do not grow, do not move on their own, they don't breathe, nor they need anything to eat, and they don't reproduce. All living things need food to grow, live, and to get energy. We all know what to eat and what to avoid. Do all living things eat in the same way? No. All living things have different eating habits. Now, can you see the picture in front here? Animals, all the animals too have different styles of eating. They have different habits of eating. And we too, human beings, being at the same house, even we have different habits of eating. So, everyone's feeding habits are not the same. Plants prepare their own food. You all have seen in the last class how plants prepare their own food. Animals search for food or hunt for their food. And we human beings, what do? When we go to the market, we check the food, we wash them before eating, separate the vegetable, cook them, and eat. So, all the living beings have different eating habits. Our world is like a restaurant. Food is always consumed here. It is always available as and when needed. Production and consumption is the continuous process. So, plants are busy preparing the food for everyone as well for themselves. And we human beings and all the living beings are eating food. So, production is also going on and consumption is also going on. It is a continuous process. Right from the tiny plant to the tallest of trees are always busy making food. They begin making food right from the sunrise and finish as the sun sets. They use some parts of food for themselves, and the remaining part is stored in the root, stem, and leaves. Isn't it, children? Yes, we have studied about that in the last class, that is plant kingdom. Animals are classified into three groups on the basis of their eating habits: carnivorous, herbivorous, omnivorous, and scavengers. We shall study about these animals in detail in the next class.